Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. We have seen on this chart a potential 5-wave rally already, but we're currently watching if wave 5 extends to a larger ABC structure. Means that yes, the top could be in already, okay, but it takes a break below certain levels to confirm. And what would happen then? Well, the overall assumption is, because it's an overall bullish market, that this year could be either a wave 1 or an A wave. The pullback should be a corrective move down, so a 3-wave move, which could be a B wave or a wave 2. Basically, the support area is the same. And then in a C wave or third wave, in a 5-wave move, we should then move up towards, possibly $23.68 or even $42. Maybe even higher, depending on if it's a wave 3 or a C wave. And then, well, again, depending on what it is, if after these 3 waves, a higher low can hold, so at the time when we get there, if we get there, I will add a support area to the chart for a wave 4. If that holds basically a higher low, then we can watch for a rally in wave 5. So, and that would be really bullish, but until then, we can only really, take it level by level with this coin because the chart history is extremely short. We can really start only looking at a potentially bullish structure from the September 2023 lows. So it's a rather short chart history. However, again, a potential 5-wave move up, yes, the 5th wave might extend, and we're going to take a look at that. Before that, actually, what are the support levels? So if the price comes down now, we will have support, first main line of support at $8.32. There would be a shallow wave 2 or B, so I'm looking for lower primarily, maybe $6.77. But again, if the price moves higher and it will extend the wave 1, so it will extend the 5th wave of the wave 1 or the A wave, then we also have to move up the support area. So that will adjust with the price. So what is now maybe $6.77 might turn into $8. So that's sort of important to understand. Now let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. This is basically the extension we're currently dealing with, where a wave 4 likely bottomed here on the 21st of December. We had a 5-wave move to the upside into the highs, which I consider in the extension wave count a wave A. This here could be a B wave pullback, even though it looks a little impulsive, but that first dip that we had could be an A, then a B, and a C. So it works well. And now we could be in this C wave higher. So that also gives us basically an invalidation point, which is the B wave low. So that's at $10.30 roughly. So a break below the $10.30 level would indicate that, a more substantial top has formed. Until then, we could watch for higher in wave C, which would be a 5-wave move. Best I can tell is that if this is really unfolding, we'd be dealing here with a potential wave 1, even though it's not a very clear 5-wave move. The subwave structure isn't clear. Then this could be an A, B, possible C wave now in a wave 2, 3, 4, 5. So a C wave always has 5 waves. So that's best I can do here. But we need to see where the wave 2 finds a low. Again, the wave 2, all it needs to avoid is to break below that $10.30 level that I just mentioned, because this is really the invalidation point. And the C wave, should move above the A wave high, and we can use certain Fibonacci extension levels to identify targets. So we measure the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and then one of the key levels that comes up is at $19.64. Certainly one of the levels to keep on the chart, because this is the 100% extension of the A wave. That's a very common target for a C wave. Now, yes, C waves sometimes extend, for example, to the 1.236 or the 1.38 extensions. So those levels would be $22.85 and $25. And then also we've got this larger Fibonacci level on the chart, one of the resistance levels at $23.68. They are all relevant levels here in this potential uptrend. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.